Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Devon Road and we're going to show you some mega developments taking place. Now straight ahead, that building you're looking at is 45 HR. It's a 10-floor building. It's on the left, we just passed it. It's a 10-floor building that is under construction. It should be finished very soon. Now straight ahead on the screen is the Usain Bolt call center. This is the second building that Usain Bolt has built, and this one is on Hope Road. The first one is on Halfway Tree Road. So this building is now finished. It finished recently and companies are moving in. Now those buildings you're seeing in the background, though, that is New Kingston. Very nice view of the New Kingston skyline. Now as we come around, you're going to see the tallest building in Jamaica. That's the Kingston Harbor we're looking at there. There it is. That is the Rogers. 20 floors. It's a residential building and it will be the tallest building in Jamaica probably for another year, because 4 buildings are being built in Montego Bay at 28 floors each. Okay, that building in view now is 20 South. That's a 10-floor building. It's finished. It's a residential building. It has been finished for quite some time. Now straight ahead, that is where they are building a 14-floor building where you see the construction. That's the Suites of Terra Nova. Although the construction has stopped, but that is where they're building it. Okay, in the background or straight ahead is some more residential buildings. And then coming into view now is going to be the Halo, which is a 10-floor building. There it is, under construction. This one is also residential. So a lot of developments are taking place in Kingston. Now we are by Devon Road and we saw 45 HR, the Usain Bolt building, the Rogers, Suites of Terra Nova and the Halo. 5 developments taking place. 5. So this is just an example of the kind of developments that are taking place in Jamaica. Everywhere, in every parish, especially on the north coast and St. Catherine and St. James, Hanover, Westmoreland, more specifically Negril, a lot of developments are taking place. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.